Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and readiness. Charge the Jabra Elite 4 active above 20% so pairing won't fail. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the screen visible. You need to watch for the device name. Next, place the earbuds in pairing mode by holding the appropriate buttons until the LED flashes blue. This signals the Jabra is broadcasting. These steps are essential because uninterrupted power and visible Bluetooth are what allow discovery to happen quickly. With the earbuds broadcasting, select Jabra Elite 4 active from the phone's available devices list. Tap it once. You may see a pairing prompt or passkey. Accept or confirm any prompt so both devices trust each other. Once the phone shows connected or paired, audio routing is established. Make sure media and call audio are enabled in the device profile, otherwise you might only get calls or only media. If you use a companion app, open it now to finalize settings and firmware updates. Finish by testing. Play music and make a short call to verify sound and microphone function. This confirms correct profiles are active. If you need consistent behavior, enable microphone and media permissions for Bluetooth in your phone settings so apps can use the earbuds. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds. Hold the buttons for about 15 seconds until LEDs change, then repeat discovery and selection. If problems persist, toggle phone Bluetooth off and on, then retry. This clears common cache issues and usually resolves pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.